Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with abusinesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Wednesday the 20th of July. Today we gapped up a little bit and the market pretty much just went sideways in a large range the entire day. Which was kind of expected. We thought the market would be a little bit choppy, and it was definitely an interesting day. We had 10 trades for a maximum profit potential of 1 3/4 points or 7 ticks. We actually made, in the room with the entries and the exits that we took, 2.5 points or 9 ticks. So it did a little bit better. It wasn't a great day of trading. Could have probably just taken the day off and been a little bit happier. We took a couple longs in the beginning, which were a little aggressive. We did grab a long here. We were able to ride up a little bit, and grabbed a long here. We were able to ride up. After this point, we I kind of got my bearings and started making decent trades. Took it long here, able to ride it up. Shorted here. When the market came up, we did take a short here. We took some profit, and then we added to our short and rode this thing down. We grabbed a long here, grabbed profit on the way up, watched it come down, and then we grabbed a little short, took a little profit right before we closed the room out. It was an interesting day, and it was kind of fun. It was definitely challenging, and the challenging days are the best days, actually. They say hardships in your life make you a stronger person. The harder the trading day is, I think the better it is. But it is what it is. 2.5 points. Nothing to write home about, but it is a win. Check mark in the win column. So it is what it is. Our website is www.abusinesswithtrading.com. If you want to stop by and check it out, it may or may not be for you. Trading's not for everyone, and my style of trading is not for every trader. I know I say that a lot, but it's definitely true. And if I've talked to a lot of new traders who they're like, hey, teach me how to trade. I want to make $1 million in a year. I want to start with 3,000. That is so unrealistic. There's a difference between being unrealistic but possible and being unrealistic and impossible. But I mean, that's a debate for another time, and I have a lot of stuff to say on that topic. But anyway, starting with $3,000, there's no way you can be a millionaire in a year unless you get lucky. Luck will play a large role in that. Can you start with $3,000 and at the end of a year be making a comfortable $50,000 a year living? That's definitely possible. Can you start with a couple $100,000 and make a couple $100,000 in a year? You can, but if starting with a couple 100,000 making 50,000 is really easy. You just have to get the tools, and people learn at different paces, and it's really hard to when people ask me that question, it's really hard to answer it because I don't know what type of person they are, and I need to ask some questions and get to know the person before I can make a judgment. Because is it possible to turn 3,000 into 50,000? Yes, it is. But is it possible for everyone? Definitely not. You have to have the right tool set. Have the correct toolbox, so to speak. So I don't know if my rambling's making any sense. It is to me, but I don't know. Anyway, upper right hand side of the website, I do have a contact form. If you want to shoot me out any questions, comments, feedback, I love to read all that. meet other traders. Definitely fun. Trading is definitely a lonely game. It's a solitaire game, so it's definitely fun meeting other people and being able to talk about trading. It's definitely a lot of fun. Anyway, check out the website. Send me off any questions that you might want. If you are enjoying this video you're watching right now, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. I definitely would appreciate that. Have an awesome night, and I'll see everyone in the morning. Thank you.